how to fly this DJI Mavic Mini drone with this beautiful remote controller, which is known as 𝗲𝘂𝗵𝗲𝗄𝗃 controller. So in this video I'm going to teach you how to fly DJI Mavic Mini drone with this 𝗲𝘂𝗵𝗲𝗄𝗃 controller. Okay, so first of all, make sure your drone is connected with this 𝗲𝘂𝗵𝗃𝗄𝗃 controller. So if your drone is connected with 𝗲𝘂𝗵𝗃𝗄𝗃 controller, so now you can see here this type of light is blinking here, green and red color light is blinking here, and in the remote controller also the light will be stopped after connection. Okay, if your remote controller is not connected with this drone, then in this time it will you will see a blinking light here, but after making the connection the blinking will be stopped. Okay, after that you have to open your DJI Fly application. So I am using this time DJI Fly application, and now this drone and this remote is connected, and after that you have to put your finger in this way. Okay, so now you can see my right side finger and my left side finger is here. So this is my joystick, right? And you have to pull you have to press your joystick slowly inside. Okay, so I am just pressing here, and you have to pull down again slowly. So now you can see here my drone propeller start rotating, right? My drone propeller start rotating. And if you want to fly your drone, just you have to move up this joystick. After moving up, your drone will go up. But in this time I am not flying, just I am showing you demo only, so that's why I'm not flying. But in this way you can easily fly up. So if you want to stop, or if you want to pull down this your drone, just you have to pull down this joystick for 2 to 3 seconds. So in this way you can easily stop your drone propeller. So in this way you can easily fly your DJI Mavic Mini drone. Hoping that you get few ideas. Thank you so much.